Do you want to add WhatsApp button on Instagram story? You can add a WhatsApp link to your Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a WhatsApp button to your Instagram story, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, go to the Story section. Now, capture a new photo or video, or upload one from your gallery. Once your picture or video is ready, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. A list of stickers appears. Search for WhatsApp and select it from the list. A new screen appears. From here, select your WhatsApp phone number or add a new one. Make sure that your phone number is registered with WhatsApp Business, as this feature is not available for personal accounts. Once you have selected your WhatsApp number, tap on the Send Code button. Now, verify your number using the WhatsApp Business app. After verifying your WhatsApp number, you will be able to add the WhatsApp button to your Instagram story and share it with your friends and followers.